Hello, there is Zmotion technology. Today, bring you laser galvanometer related solution. Large format linked laser processing. It is mainly used to do laser marking, cutting, cleaning, etc. General actions include stainless steel etching, sandblasting, paint removal and drilling of smart mirror glass, PCB softboard film cutting, and so on. As we all know, capacity is very important all the time. Then, excellent laser processing can promote it. Specifically, high precision and high efficiency. For traditional laser scan system, hard to meet current market needs. Especially in occasions of large format laser processing. Generally, it needs several scan heads or there are scan and servo motion platforms to complete processing. Obviously, it is high cost, and its low efficiency and precision can't reach required. Based on this, Zmotion laser processing solution is mainly for large format and linkage. Through this laser galvanometer motion controller, it integrates EtherCAT, pulse axis servo control with galvanometer control. Also, it is an embedded motion controller with laser control. It supports 4 to 8 EtherCAT axes. The control period can be up to 250s. At the same time, it has one dual scan interface, which can process scan and laser synchronously. For second development, there is PC host computer library file provided, like C++ or C#. Except, we have one own free development platform RTSys. Through that, it can achieve offline programming control. For linkage processing, here give one interpolation control between servo platform and scanning galvanometer. At the same time, splicing error can be removed by real-time dynamic compensation algorithm. In this way, easy to achieve large format processing. And continuous processing can reduce processing time, then the whole efficiency is higher. With our excellent algorithm, the precision and yield both can be promoted a lot. In a word, by motion and galvanometer precisely control, when processing quality can be ensured, to do scanning in one bigger range. This is our laser scan processing demo machine. Left one is our vision motion controller VPLC711 as the IPC. It connects to industrial camera to do galvanometer correction and vision positioning. At the same time, the control system runs on it. Edit needed graphic trajectory, then to set platform and galvanometer trajectories by system software. Next, send them to ZMC408 scanned V22 controller to do large format linked laser processing. Now, the solution of laser processing with linkage in large format is shown. If you are interested in it, please contact us. Zmotion focused on general motion control over 10 years. Next solution will be fly laser marking. Thank you for your watching. Have a nice day.